Welcome to AiCare tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the features of the dashboards. Depending on your access, the following dashboards might be available to you. You can switch dashboards from the Switch Dashboard menu. Just click on the drop-down and you will see the different levels of dashboard that you may have access to. First, let's check out the System Dashboard. The System Dashboard is reserved for system administrators of AI Portal. At this level, aggregated data is displayed from all the child entities below of it. For example, you can see all the facilities, all the users, all the bands, and all the rock boxes. Also by aggregating the alert status and the alerts by type. Let's take a look at the facilities. The facilities information panel lists the aggregate counts by enterprise, venues, buildings, floors, and rooms. The People panel lists the aggregate count of residents, caregivers, subscribers, administrators, and stations. The Rock Bands panel lists the aggregate count of connected rock bands and disconnected rock bands. The Rock Boxes panel lists the aggregate count of connected rock boxes and the disconnected rock boxes. The Alerts by Status panel lists the aggregate count of init alerts as well as pending alerts. And finally, the Alerts by Type panel lists the aggregate count of SOS detected, high impact detected, power on, power off, and breakaway detected. Let's take a look at the Enterprise dashboard by switching to Enterprise from the Switch Dashboard menu. In here, you can select the different enterprises that you have access to. And you will see the aggregate data from each of the panels only for the current enterprise that you selected. Similarly, if you want to drill down into a venue inside an enterprise, you select the venue selection in the Switch Dashboard menu. Again, in here, you will first select the top level enterprise, and then you will be able to select the venue associated with the enterprise. You can also see the aggregated data by building or the aggregated data by floor. In the floor dashboard, it allows you to view the details at a particular floor of a building. This dashboard allows the administrators and healthcare professionals to have a bird's-eye view of the floor. You can use the floor drop-down to the right of the building drop-down to choose a floor you would like to view. The floor drop-down displays only the floors you have access to. On the floor dashboard, there are 5 different views you can choose from. First is a floor map view, which is currently selected. The left of the floor map view shows a summary aggregates of data related to the devices and alerts currently happening. On the right of the floor map view shows a graphical representation of the floor layout and the position of the devices on the floor. A cube represents a rock box and their different status. If it is gray in color, it is in normal operating state. If it is yellow in color, it represents it is disconnected. If it is red in color, it represents a rock box is in an error state and needs immediate attention. The location marker indicates the location of a rock band, and there are also different status. When it's green, it means that it is detected and it is in normal operating state. If it is brown in color, it means it is powered off or disconnected. If it is red in color, it means that it has detected an impact or SOS is triggered. Immediate assistance is needed. Switch over to the second tab is the Rock Band Locations view. In the Rock Band Locations view, you get a detailed table view of the different rock bands available on the current floor. And most importantly, if there have been any alerts in the past, this serves a very important view for managing residents and recalling the location and incident for review. You can also select a row in the table and see detailed historical information for that rock band by selecting the row. This allows you to get a good track record of where the resident has been. Next is the rock band RSSI's view. This particular view provides the RSSI value, basically that means signal strength, and the battery level for each rock band detected in a certain time. This view allows system administrators to easily plan replacement or charging schedule for each rock band currently in use. Again, you can also see the historical value by selecting a particular band. Next is a rock band alerts view. The rock band alerts view provides a short list of currently active alerts. Important information include the time, which resident, which room, a brief description of the alert, and the type of alert. This gives administrators the essential information to react to the alert and provide the suitable level of timely response. For each alert, administrator can update the alert description if needed. Next is the Rock Band Alert Closed view. The Rock Band Alerts Closed view lists the historical alerts and the close time. You can also edit a close type and a description. This concludes a feature overview of the AI Portal dashboards. Thank you for watching.